Everyone wants passive income. Everyone wants to make money while they're asleep with no effort. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Everyone chasing passive income doesn't even have an active income. And in this video, I will show you why passive income is actually a lie and why it delays your success. And in the end, I will show you what the people who actually make money do. My name is Barkant and I built a six-figure coaching business in the span of 3 years in my 20s. I work with more than 100 coaches by now to help them get clients and scale their businesses. And I've seen a lot of people jumping from AI to the latest trends, and they have this one thing in common. They're always looking for shortcuts, avoiding the real work. And let me be fair, passive income actually exists. Systems exist, leverage exists, but here's the truth that nobody tells you. Passive income is a reward. It is not a starting point. And this is the actual dark side of passive income. It detaches you from reality. What people really want is to make money without the skills. People want the results without responsibility. People want the leverage without value. So they try to build businesses that they don't understand in order to make passive income. And when something breaks, they don't know how to fix it because they seek for something easy. And psychology calls this avoidance disguised as ambition. That's how your brain is built. Your brain loves fantasies and he doesn't like effort. Passive income is sexy. You just chill, you make money, no effort, your brain likes it. That's why they sell you the dream of passive income so easily. You get dopamine when you imagine success. You get dopamine when you imagine that you make money while being in Bali, chilling in the sun. That's good. It feels good. And that's why you buying courses feels productive. You imagining passive income feels good. In reality, action feels heavy. It's effort, and your brain doesn't like effort. Your brain is built to survive. It likes to do things in the minimal way. And every guru out there who sells passive income sell you on hope that it will be easy. But active work is what builds confidence, and active work is what gets you started at first. Even Islam never promised effortless provision. You have to do the work. You have to put in the effort, you have to be patient, and you have to trust in Allah. In the famous hadith, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Tie your camel and put your trust in Allah." How it translates in business, do the work and put your trust in Allah. Allah doesn't like people who just sit all day. No, and no. And I see a lot of coaches out there who are obsessed over funnels, automations, these easy content systems. They obsess over the easy part, building the automation, building the passive thing, before they got any clients that paid for their offers. People are trying to automate something that haven't earned any money yet. Think about this for a moment. Is it logical? Is it logical to automate something that haven't made you any money yet? Is it logical to wait for money to come without you putting any work? It's possible, yes, but what I'm trying to convey in this video is that passive income is not your starting point. Active income comes before passive income. Stop believing these people who are saying you that it's easy. It's not. Real wealth is built like this. I analyzed dozens of successful entrepreneurs, and they tell you that real wealth is built in this 4-step process. First, you master active income. Then, you build proof through service. Third, you systemize what already works. And fourth, you just add leverage. As simple as that. That's how passive income actually becomes passive. It's possible, but you have to do this in this order. Passive income is not a starting point.